One coin fine from work today, ladies and gentlemen. It's the King Charles III coin, and it's always nice to find one. This one does actually seem to have maybe that error on the outer. Quite hard to see here. Hopefully it does zoom in enough where it has been double stamped around the outer. Hard to see. Again, the two B's there on the back of the coin, but it does look a little bit suspicious around that outer. Have to get it under the hand-on star later. Again, check around the outside. £1, really small in lettering, hard for the camera to zoom in, but this one does look definitely around here that it may have been double pressed. Again, it is only worth its face value of £1 realistically, the 2023-2025. The 2024 coin wasn't released for circulation. You'll get around £5 for that one online. Again, have an amazing day, ladies and gentlemen. I'm a little bit behind with the videos. I'll try my best to catch up as soon as possible. Stay safe, and as always, thanks for watching.